Ever opened a code editor and thought, why am I fighting my own tools instead of writing code? Yeah, been there. If you search WebStorm scam or legit, relax, you're in the right place. I tested it so you don't have to rage quit halfway through coding. I've used WebStorm on real JavaScript and TypeScript projects, and the first thing I noticed is how much it actually understands your code. It doesn't just autocomplete random guesses, it knows your project structure, jumps between files instantly, and refactors safely without breaking everything. That alone saved me hours. What surprised me the most is that it works straight out of the box. No plugin hunt, no setup marathon, React, Vue, Angular, Node, everything just works. Git tools built in, debugging built in. Even messy merge conflicts feel less painful. Now about the AI features, this isn't gimmicky. It reads your whole code base, helps with repetitive tasks, and even edits multiple files correctly. I tested it offline too and it still handled smart code completion. So scam or legit? From real use, this is legit. It's stable, powerful, and clearly built for serious developers. If you want speed, structure, and fewer headaches, WebStorm delivers. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store link below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.